Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. This routine is a nice blend of Qigong breathing, Qigong tapping and gentle exercises to help you get out of the head and into the body and make you feel better. But before we begin, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to expand your practice, you prefer longer routines or learn in a more structured way, consider joining my membership site. I'm going to put a link with all the details right in this corner so you can go straight to the website. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice.
Stand up straight, relax your whole body. Keep your feet parallel, soften your knees and tuck your tailbone in so you can relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders and tuck your chin in to lengthen through the back of the neck. And take a moment here to become aware of your entire body. Begin by rubbing your hands together. Then go ahead and tap on the forehead and the temples. Then tap behind the ears. Then tap the crown of the head, the Bai Hui point. Repeat with your other hand. Let your hands relax. From here, gently knock on the chest, going up and down the center line. This helps to stimulate the lungs and release tension from the chest. Then go ahead and gently knock across the abdomen and the lower back. Keep a good posture with your knees slightly bent every time you tap. Relax your neck and shoulders. This tapping technique helps to activate the energy in the body by stimulating the kidneys and the points located around the navel. Remember to breathe normally and stay relaxed. From here, we're gonna tap the back of the shoulder and the rib cage. Start your momentum from your legs, shifting the weight from one leg to another, keeping your lower back as relaxed as possible. Relax, return to center. Then we're gonna knock on the hips. Then move up to the top of the glutes. And down the sides of the legs. Go as low as you can. Stand up and repeat a few times, covering the sides of the legs. One more time. Relax for a moment and bounce off a few times to relax, soften and loosen up. Next, we're gonna do a breathing sequence. Breathing in through the nose and out the mouth. Step forward, breathe in as you open. Breathe out as you relax. Every time you inhale, feel your chest opens and expands. Every time you exhale, feel it compress and relax. Keep your breathing soft and gentle. Relax for a moment. The next movement, we're going to breathe in, open the hands to the side. Exhale, arms flow down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep the movement gentle so it can match your breath. Feel your chest expand as you inhale. Feel your chest relax as you exhale. From here, press to the back, squeeze your shoulder blades. Breathe in. Exhale, arms relax by the side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. This exercise helps to massage the points between the shoulder blades and enhance the smooth flow of energy up and down the spine. Remember, breathe in as you open. Breathe out and soften. Relax your hands by the side. Then gently knock on your shoulder to release any tension. Very good. Next, we're going to do a few gentle squats to warm up the legs. Go ahead and squat down, then slowly come up on your toes. Go down again, and come up. Do that a few times, staying relaxed and in control of the movement. When you come up on your toes, use your toes for balance. When you go down, make sure your lower back stays nice and relaxed. Relax for a moment and go into the spinal wave. Relax the muscles of the back and find fluidity and suppleness in your spine. Your knees are comfortably bent. Your shoulders are moving back and forth. The key here is to relax the whole body and be soft like a wave. Staying connected to the ground through your feet. Same time, find softness and fluidity in your upper body. Notice how your whole body is moving together. Your ankles and your wrists, your knees and your elbows, your hips and your shoulders. Your neck here is an extension of a spine, so keep it soft and fluid as you go up and down. Continue the movement for a few seconds in your own pace. Slow down and return to center. Take a moment here to notice how you feel. Then bring your feet together. The next movement is called bird leaves its nest. Go ahead and come up on your toes, arms float up. Breathe in. Exhale, squat down. Breathe in and raise up. Breathe out and soften down. Keep your lower back nice and relaxed every time you go down, using the strength of your legs. Be mindful here and only squat to a point that feels comfortable. If your knees are sensitive, take it easy and only go down a little bit. Leg exercises stimulate the kidneys and stomach meridian, improve circulation, and make the legs stronger. This exercise is also good for opening the chest and the rib cage for better breathing. Practicing this movement enhances your coordination and improve your mind-body balance. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands by the side. Let your entire body soften and relax. Step out to make sure you're comfortable and take a moment to notice how your body feels. Lots of breathing, lots of movement, lots of sensations inside the body. Let them happen, bringing comfort and relaxation to your entire body. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath in, gathering the energy around you. Exhale, let it flow, feeling your entire body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in and exhale. Relax and take a moment to notice how your body feels. Then shake off your legs to the side, rub your hands together. Bounce off a few times to loosen up and feel nice and open. And again, I hope you feel good. Smile to yourself, appreciate your body. Thanks for watching. I wish you a good day and see you soon.